What is this ignorance? So this gentleman, he gave me a car. It's a lorry, it's a car. Is it a jeep? How do you define it?
Truck.
A truck. Any other suggestions? Ice cream van. Okay, nice. You, sir?
Like those ducks that goes on the
Wow, yeah. Okay. How about you, young lady? No idea? No, the little one, because they are playing with these things. Now get rid of the name that you given to it. Car or anything. Get rid of the name, right? I don't talk about the name that you've given to it. Tell me, inside your mind, you felt that this is a single object, isn't it? Inside your mind, you felt that this is a single object. When you see this, in your perception, you felt, this is one object. And the name of that object is what? You told me ice cream. Who told me ice cream van? Ice cream van. And you told me truck. And someone told me what? Yeah, duck. So I'm not telling about the name, right? But inside your mind, intuitively, you felt it's a single object. Agree? Okay, abacadabra. Now, this is the magic. Is it a single object or is it an arrangement? This is made out of Legos. What do you think, Karna? Is it a single object or is it a mixture? Is it an arrangement? Is it an arrangement? This is an arrangement. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is an arrangement. Don't you think so? This is an arrangement. This is not a single object, even though you felt it as a single object. I'm not talking about what you perceive, right? I'm talking about what is existing outside. I'm talking about what is actually happening outside here. This is an arrangement, isn't it? Are we on the same page? Everyone agree with that? Even though you felt this is a single object, but this is an arrangement.